Okay, well, Takasu figure out the slides. How many of you here have a country club membership? Okay, I don't, but I would like, actually I have a membership in a hackerspace. So I'm a geek, I'm a techie. I'm sure many of you are. And instead of spending money on getting a membership in the country club to play golf, I like to spend my money getting a membership in the hackerspace to meet with other geeks and techies and do all sorts of geeky stuff. So I don't know how many of you here are like me, a techie. Typically when I make a techie, very technical comment, I make a very geeky joke. Amongst my non-techie friends, they will go like, what are you saying? And sometimes I feel a little bit lonely in Singapore because a lot of my friends, they are not in the tech scene. So I started the hackerspace. So hackerspace is a concept, it's basically a club for geeks from all walks of life, for all creators from all sorts of life. And there are many, many hackerspaces in Singapore. In the world, And there's currently one hackerspace in Singapore. So we are actually located in Lavender, very near Jalan Besar Stadium. So typically, we are a very, very open culture. We have a very strong community. The questions our members and our community like to ask is, what if? What if we do A? What will happen? And the next question we like to ask is, why not? And amongst all the hackerspaces around the world, there are many, many people doing a lot of interesting things, interesting projects. So some of these things, you might think that it's pointless, but we like to do things for fun, for entertainment. So just to give you an example, one of the hackerspaces around the world, they actually found the toilet flush very boring. So they decided to make the toilet flush more interesting. So what they did was that they actually used some sensors and they actually made the toilet flush tweet when you start to flush the toilet. Okay? So to a non-geek, you think, oh, there's no commercial value. But to us geeks, this is something very fun, and when a geek actually sees a project like this, he'll be asking like, how does it work? What is the implementation like? Okay? So I'm going to take you through some of the projects in the Singapore hackerspace, very briefly. Okay? This one, you have to see yourself downstairs. This is actually a 3D printer. So right now you can, spend like $1,000. You can buy like the maker board, the Ultimaker. Okay, but one of our members, he found those printers inferior. He has a day job as a software engineer, and so he spent like 6 months over many evenings building his Yaoza 3D printer. And I don't have a very good picture, but all the non-metallic parts, most of the non-metallic parts are 3D printed from another 3D printer. Okay, so you can check out the 3D printer downstairs. Okay, and another one of our members is very tiny, but there's a little robot over here, and it's controlled by Bluetooth using a mobile phone. So a lot of kids, they're having a lot of fun with it, and this is how the robot looks like. He's an engineer at Dyson, and he's doing this for fun as well. Okay, this is an old project. At the bottom, this one is actually a Roomba vacuum cleaner. Alright? And what one of our friends did was that he connected a computer inside, and then he added a camera right here, and he connected it to the internet. Okay, this is an old project, and he can actually control this robot over the internet and spy on the hackerspace to see what people are doing inside. And you can move it around, left, right, center, forward, backwards. Okay? And this is another project which is powered off the Raspberry Pi. Another member decided to play the Raspberry Pi and connected it to a camera and some servos. So this one is also used to spy on the hackerspace to see who is in the hackerspace. Okay, and this is another project. We not only do projects for fun, sometimes we are very, very lazy people, right? I mean, they say necessity is the mother of invention. I don't agree. I think laziness is the mother of invention. So this is the main goal at Hackerspace. And we are very, very open space. When somebody comes and rings the doorbell, we will open the door for them. Okay? And when people try and leave the space, for some reason they always cannot find the exit button. So I'm going to quickly orientate you. This is the magnetic lock for our door. Alright? And we have a long wire that connects down here to this IR sensor. So right now when somebody tries to enter the space, they can't because it's locked by the magnetic lock. And when they try and leave, when they put their hand down here, you actually trigger the motion sensor and you unlock the magnetic lock. That's the first modification. Okay? And the second modification is one of our members got very tired of opening the door because he needs to go walk like 10 meters to the door, and so he decided to actually connect the magnetic lock and control it using the Wi-Fi. And so when somebody rings the doorbell, you just run the command in his system, and then he unlocks very easily. And during events, we actually open our door and keep it open for anybody to enter. We have a lot of community events, technical meetups, programming meetups, and we also host non-technical groups like the ukulele group. So a lot of time, when we have events, we don't have a proper door stopper. And when people come, they ring the doorbell, and it's very, very disruptive during the event. So one of our members decided to 3D print a door stopper. So that's a 3D printed door stopper. When the door closes this way, the door stopper will prevent the magnetic lock from locking the door. Okay? So these are some of our projects that we have in Ericsson, and we have a lot more projects. A lot of our members take ownership to actually take initiative to try and improve the space. So if you want to find out more, you can go to hackyspace.sg/connect, join our Facebook group, come and talk to me. If you are keen to find out more, because we are really, really, really friendly, you can literally come almost any day of the week, ring our doorbell and say, hey, I want to check out the space. No problems. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Redon. And Hackerspace